Hello everyone, we are still in section 3, Introduction to Dynamic Geometry Environments, and this video will be about dynamic behavior. So we have to make a circle in here. So we have to click on this compass tool, click and hold it and just move it around, and that's how you create the circle. It depends on how large or small do you want it. So whatever is a good fit, you can just stop and click it. So now we have this circle, and now we have to name it, of course. So for the center of the circle, I will just name it C. You double click and you change. On this line, I just clicked it once and the system just gave me point E. So I don't want point E, I want point D in here for the name. And just click it now. So now we have to see what kind of behavior it's giving us when we click on different locations. So let's say I am clicking on point C and I move it around. You see, I'm moving it around. Point D stays the same in its exact position. When I move around point C, when I get closer to point D, it gets smaller. When I go away from point D, it gets bigger. And point C is at the center of this circle, no matter where I go. Okay, now let's try for point D. I selected point D, I'm holding it, and I move my mouse. As you can see, point C, which is the center of the circle, stays the same. Nothing happens to it. But when I get closer to point C, my circle gets smaller. When I go away from point C, it gets bigger. So this is what happens when you move point D around. Now there's one more, is this line, which is the circle, this line, the green line. So I click, I hold, I move around. As you can see, when I move the green line, everything moves with it. They're still in the same position, but it just moves, shifts. D is there and C is there too. Nothing happens with the circle. Circle stays the same as well. Alright, thank you so much for listening.